baby, nah. This is for my home girl. Yeah. My home girl. This is for my friend, my homie, nah, my lady, nah, my baby, nah. I remember back in the 6th grade when we used to wear them barrettes and jellies, and I had them crisscross braids with a low fade, 2 straws in the cups of my lemonade all day, every day after school. I never ever forget you. You was a girl, but you hang with the dudes. Plus you played a little ball too. So we ran them 2 on 2. They picked their team, I picked who? My home girl, and we beat them boo. Ain't nothing that we can't do when I'm hanging me and you under the sun, having fun, eating bubble gum or chewing honey bun. Hold up, do you remember Cam's and Lace? Do you remember our first date? Tootsie rollin', butterflying. You was squeezed with the roller skates, playing how to get it till the time got late. 5-0 came, so we hit the gate, walked you home, gave you a hug. Man, them times was great. I would never ever give it up. You plus me was homie love. You showed me some without never ever saying that I owed you none. This is for having my backing. With them haters attacking, man, I can still hear you laugh. This is for my home girl. My home girl. This is for my friend, my homie, nah, my lady, nah, my baby, nah. This is for my home girl. My home girl. This is for my friend, my homie, nah, my lady, nah, my baby, nah. This is for my home girl. This is for you. What would I do? Who would I be if you wasn't there helping me on my feet? I got you and you got me. Together we can win every day of the week. Every little minute, every second, little beat. Home is for life, and that's on me. It'd only be right if I shot you out. Bought you a car, bought you a house, bought you every little thing that you ever thought about. Material things ain't nothing now. Hella good beats is bumping now. You was a part of that lady. We made something out of nothing. How? By being cool, doing what we do, fighting through our struggles. When times got hard, we got harder on them troubles. Just me and you. Hey, hustle to hustle. Hey, knuckle to knuckle. Man, that's why I love you. Love my home girl. My home girl. This is for my friend, my homie. Everybody's had a home girl in their lifetime, baby. This is for my home. And every homegirl's had a homeboy too. My home